Hey guys, so sweet. Sorry, my hair is like makes me look like a man right now. I'm gonna be eating a bologna and pepperoni sandwich. So I'll show you what I use. I use Sara Lee honey wheat bread, essential everyday pepperoni, regular bologna, Sargento mozzarella cheese. Dog food, go. Not feed me. They don't do that. Next is pure watermelon. This is what like a traditional like recipe that was used. The cheese is so bomb. My grandma works for Sargento, so we always get cheese. Mmm. This is Subway. Okay. I'm so like how it's made. Don't lick your hands!
Dough is stripped into separate cakes. Then an automated roller completes the logs. The jelly logs go into a conveyor belt that positions them closer together, aligning them for the next phases of production. They travel through a waterfall of strawberry-flavored syrup. This sticky coating acts as tasty glue to adhere the shredded coconut that showers them next. The conveyor belt shakes off the excess, which, like the excess strawberry syrup before, gets fed through the machine again. Now, if all this doesn't have your sweet tooth tingling yet, this next snack cake will. It's a chocolate cream cake covered in a chocolate coating. Production begins in the mixer, where they combine egg, a vegetable oil mixture, flour, sugar, water, glucose, a liquid sweetener, and cocoa powder. The mixer blends the ingredients at high speed for 1 minute. Then it pumps the batter to a machine called the automated depositor, which splits the batter into cake molds. The conveyor belt transports the mold pans to an oven where the batter bakes for 7 minutes. To achieve just the right texture, there's a very specific heating pattern. Once the pans exit the oven, a robot flips the cakes upside down onto a conveyor belt. It stacks the empty mold pans onto another conveyor that sends them back for more batter. Now the cakes flip right side up onto a wire conveyor belt. Air circulating between the wires cools the cakes. The next machine aligns the cakes in position for the next phases of production. First, thin blades saw the cakes in half. Then suction tubes remove the tops and place them next to the bottoms. Next, the machine drops a portion of cream filling on each bottom. The cream is about the consistency of margarine. As the feeder tube above each cake delivers it, a wire cutter slices off a piece about 6 millimeters thick. Then the suction tubes put the tops back on. Now the cakes pass through a shower of hot chocolate-flavored liquid. This coats the top and sides. At the same time, the cakes travel through a bath of the liquid. This coats the underside. Air jets blow off the excess. The cakes pass through a cooling tunnel. This hardens the chocolate-flavored coating. Then it's off to the packaging department. The cakes file into a sheet of polypropylene film. The machine seals, then cuts the film between each cake. This keeps each one fresh until snack time.
Yeah, oh, how it's made wigs, or how it's made swish off. So I fixed it, how it's made popcorn.
Dad, have you spit 30 6 balls in there.
Fantastic sandwiches. We need to also. Why not? Bomb sandwich. With still a burnt cheese. But gentle cheese. Gotta be careful.
In today's hustle and bustle world, it's not uncommon to forego brown bagging it and instead to grab a meal on the go. It's not surprising to see that food retailers, from mega supermarkets to tiny convenience